Have you ever felt stuck in your healing because you just couldn't talk about it anymore or even think about it anymore? I get it. And that's exactly why I created Transformative Art Healing. With Transformative Art Healing, we don't relive trauma, we release it. You get to keep your issue private. We use color, shape, and movement to express it instead. We tap on it. We incorporate a method called the 9 gamut. We release it through intuitive drawing, through somatics. There's even a fun physical release to just get it all out and seal the session with a sacred ritual. No re-traumatization, no story required. You get to keep all of your stuff private. You don't need to talk about it anymore. You don't need to think about it. You don't need to have those loops going round and round anymore. Just energy moved and replaced with truth, beauty, and healing. You can download my free class to try it out, or you can explore becoming a certified practitioner if you're ready to heal deeply and help others do the same. So like this video, subscribe, and tag a friend who's done with trauma talk.